We've embarked on a profound journey into the art of songwriting, exploring its many facets from crafting compelling lyrics and melodies to understanding chord progressions and the value of collaboration. Now, songwriting is a deeply personal endeavour, a reflection of your experiences, emotions, and perspectives. It's about connecting with listeners, telling stories that resonate, and creating melodies that linger long after the song ends. Now, I challenge you to channel your inner songwriter. Start with a simple theme or emotion and craft a song around it. Share your creations with our community, seek feedback, and refine your work. Remember, every great songwriter started with a single note, a single word. Your journey has just begun, and I can't wait to hear the stories you're going to tell.